So tell me, how are you going to
I
do
need
this?
to put it in my pocket.
Here, I'll put the tape measure in my pocket. Okay?
Put it in my pocket, Mom.
There you go.
Mom, isn't it hard to wear the pants?
No, why?
Because you put them in one hole.
No, it's called a skirt.
Grab onto those. 2 feet on those. You on them?
There they go.
Turn around.
Come this way so I can see you. No puddle. Come over here.
All the wheels away. Turn around, Mom. Let's ride in the
You got Lewis wrecked his bike, but they figured out how to ride the glider together. No standing.